So I'm super excited to be at Palma International Boat Show, and the first boat that I've come across that I absolutely love is this Maxim Yachts Maxim 43 Comfort. So when I spoke to the sales guys here, they were so proud to tell me that it's 100% proudly built in Barcelona. So this boat, which I'm going to do you a quick walkthrough tour of, retails at €1 million, and oh my goodness, it is so worth it. So they do everything in-house at Maxim Yachts, so which is bucking the trend of third-party construction. So it costs more, but what they want to do is make sure that everything they deliver is 100% in their control and up to the quality that they want. So the boat is made with an infused system. It's got such a high-end quality finish. It's light, it's strong, it is super high-end construction. So it's kind of like, I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but it's kind of like a matte finish, which you think would be really hard to take care of, but it's absolutely not. So at the back of the boat, we've got a really spacious platform for coming out of the water. You've also got a sun pad. Now, if you can just see these controls just here, the buttons just here. So once you push those, the whole of this sun pad comes up, and actually what you've got is a really spacious area for the engine. It's so easy to get to, so easy accessible for cleaning and maintenance. So this model is a carbon fibre hardtop in black, but essentially you can customize anything. It's not just the aesthetics of it, but actually there's so many options on the layout as well. So if I spin you round, you can see that this is such a sociable area. You can seat 10 to 12 here, which is awesome. And I love these tiny little details here. So you've got the Maxim Yachts and the cup holders that pull out, which is just really, really cool. So everything is natural teak. You can have it finished in artificial teak if you want, but natural teak is so much cooler to touch, and luxury-wise, it just looks that, you know, it's high-end, isn't it? It's superior. There is no cutting corners with this boat at all. So with all these seats, everyone sat around having a good time drinking, you're going to need a lot of fridges for your drinks. And the storage here is unreal. So these two seats here are actually seat fridges, but actually you can also, so this layout, they've got a fridge here, but actually you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 fridges, which is pretty cool. What you've also got here is everything you need for, well, you can have anything there. You've got the cooker, the sink. There is also an option for a pop-up TV here, and I can't think why you wouldn't do that. It's unreal. So it's an entertaining boat. So sound system is really, really good. And actually, when they tailor this to the US market, they often put loads of extra speakers in as well, which is an option. So into the piloting area. Again, it's custom. You can literally have any colour upholstery you want, and also more storage. Seems like loads of storage, but I just don't think there's ever enough on a boat of this size. So the base model here, which you can see, has got 2 double seats, but you can have 4 individual seats as an option as well. Over to the piloting area. So this is a carbon fibre hardtop, full carbon fibre. It's not fake, it's full carbon fibre. 2 big screens, but you can have the option to have them even bigger than what you can see here. And what I think is really cool about this as well, look, check out the sort of like retro racing feel here with all the analog details. I love that. Optional joystick control, Volvo Penta system. But the real selling point, I think, of this boat is when you come downstairs. So the boat doesn't feel small at all, but you'd expect it to feel smaller than this downstairs. So as we come down, you've got full height throughout the cabin. I mean, I never have to duck anyway, but if you're a 6-foot man, maybe you would in most, but not in this one at all. This has got one of the highest cabins on a compatible boat in the whole of the market. So there's like 2 meters 10 of headspace. So you've got the double bed there, and then you've got another double there. I mean, you could put adults down there, but it's a pretty cool little den little area for kids, I think. I actually feel that you could come down here and relax, not just come down here just to sleep. And also in the bathroom, the full height continues in here too, which is unreal. Okay, let me take you back upstairs. Now, the main options you can have here in the bow area. Oh, firstly, let me mention this. So with the hardtop, you've got glass, not plexiglass. So you've actually got the option of having the wiper. So for the bad sea or bad weather, you can have that there. There's no problem there. Now in this area, you've got two options. So the model that we're on at the moment has got the huge sun pad, but you can actually have a seating area. So what would happen there, you'd have 2 seats at the back here, and then you'd have a 3, well maybe even 4 actually, U-shaped seating area here. So you've got another lounge area should you wish to have that. And also what I think about walking around this boat is such a spacious walk around area. You don't feel like you're having to sort of squeeze past anything. There's just so many extra details as well. So you've got also the carbon details here for the poles, which is for the bimini for the shade. So you know, you can, if you're experiencing hot weather, you can socialise and entertain here without the worry of getting sunburnt. So yeah, all in all, this boat is unreal. So if you're at Palma International Boat Show, definitely it's one to see.